Now moving on to Maharashtra, where amid a row over pending dues of power companies in Maharashtra, State Power Minister Nitin Rao has said that no decision on waiver of electricity bills has been taken as yet, as they are yet to receive committee's final report. The row erupted as Rao had earlier promised waiver of electricity bills. During the lockdown period, several people across the state, including Bollywood personalities, took to social media to vent out their anger after they got inflated power bills.
एनर्जी मिनिस्टर ने लोगों से ये क्यों वादा किया कि हम आपको जो है वो कंसेशन देंगे या हम आप बिल जो है वो कंप्लेंट कीजिए, हम सेटल करेंगे, क्योंकि लोग उसको लेके नाराज है कि ये
एनर्जी मिनिस्टर करके मैंने जो वादा किया था वो कोरोना आने के पहले किया था और वो वादा ऐसा था कि मैं 100 यूनिट तक के बिजली माफ़ करूंगा और उसके लिए मैंने कमेटी बनाई। वो कमेटी की रिपोर्ट 3 महीने में आनी थी। पिछले कोरोना के कार्यकाल में वो कमेटी की मीटिंग ही नहीं हुई है और वो कमेटी की जब तक रिपोर्ट नहीं आएगी तब तक ये बकाया राशि कैसी वसूल की जाए, कहाँ से कर्जे ली जाए, हमारा जो उत्पादन का खर्चा जो है प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट उसको कैसे कम कर दिया जाए, कैसे सस्ती बिजली लाई जाए, ये तमाम बातें उससे जुड़ी है। अगर वो हो जाती तो शायद मैं कम करता, लेकिन आज जो मेरे सामने जो शब्दों का आकलन जो आया है, आंकड़ों का 59,000 करोड़ किसको कहते हैं भाई? 59,000 करोड़ में से आधे भी अगर आ जाए ना तो मैं बिजली ऐसी माफ कर दूं, बिजली का बिल।
महाराष्ट्र के लोग अभी भी उम्मीद लेके बैठे कि कुछ ना कुछ राहत उन्हें बिजली बिल से मिलेगी। क्या उन्हें मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी?
मैं किसानों के प्रति तो आज हमने नया कृषि पॉलिसी लाकर हमने अपना वचन निभाया है। जहाँ तक के बिजली माफ़ी की बात है वो मेरे अधिकार क्षेत्र में नहीं है। मैं केवल उनके लिए कोशिश कर सकता हूँ और मेरी कोशिश जारी है।
All right, for more on this, I'm joined by Mirror Now's Deputy Editor Mayuresh for this story. Mayuresh, good morning. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast. For the common man of Maharashtra, what does this mean? Now there is no clarity on when this report will come out, but those who've got inflated bills and have been complaining of irregular meter readings, what does this exclusive interview mean for the common person of Maharashtra?
Archana, good morning to you and all our viewers. And as you asked me, what does it mean? It means clearly that there will not be any kind of relief. The committee which he is talking about, who was supposed to submit a report regarding first 100 unit, how to give first 100 units free to the people of Maharashtra. But this particular proposal also was blocked by NCP leader and finance minister Ajit Pawar initially. When I asked particularly to Nitin Raut about giving a kind of a relief to the people who are waiting for it, because during the lockdown period people received a lot of inflated bills because meter reading didn't happen. But regarding that issue also, he clearly said that giving a relief, it is not in my hand, and I'm trying my level best to put this issue in the cabinet also, but it is not in my hand. But continuously he was saying that if we could recover the 59,000 crore rupees pending bills, then it is possible to give kind of a relief. Also in the interview, he blamed it on the past BJP government for not paying the dues or not recovering the dues on the time, and from 14,000 to 59,000, the dues which have grown by 36,000 approximately, 36,000 crore, he has held responsible BJP government and the Fadnavis government. So certainly, if we cut this to a long story in short, there will be no relief as of now to the people who have received the inflated bills and they have to pay it.